No, Steve, you did it, you beautiful abomination, you!
Hey everyone, what's up? It's Jesse here, and and welcome to another installment of Let's Watch Sonic Boom. Okay, so first off, forgive me for the late upload. I just it's been a long time since we had a Sonic Boom episode that didn't air weekly, and I don't know if Squid or Werewolf have actually uploaded their on Let's Watch reactions reactions of Sonic Boom just yet, but I think I'm probably maybe the first one, yeah. So let's get on with the next episode, shall we? And I forgot to mention in the previous two episodes. I hope everyone had a really great day at the Melbourne Cup. I had to I saw the race. Yeah, it was actually a pretty good race. It was only it was like the race that stopped the nation. So it's kind of like that. Yeah, it was a pretty good day. It was a pretty good Melbourne Cup day. Hope you guys actually made some bets on who won the horse. Yeah, who won the race. Yeah. Let's just get on with the internet. No way. Oh my god, you guys recognize that little kid? Oh, that little robot that from Sonic Boom Fire and Ice video game. What was that robot's name again? I haven't played that for a while. I haven't played that game in a while, but I recognize that robot from the game. And okay, return to Beyond the Valley of the Cubots. Oh, we're gonna see the Cubot defectors? Oh, man. I cannot wait. Let's have a look at the episode, shall we? Okay. Yeah. Addis with tails! Oh my god.
Shifting spanner.
Shifting spanner? Oh, it does telekinesis. I think I remember, yeah.
Why did Eggman ever get rid of you? You're the greatest helper I've ever had. Give me that hammer.
Exclamation point.
Did Timmy fall down a well?
Nope. Oh, ow. More like heads up.
Why didn't you catch it using your powers? Don't worry about it. I'll clean this up while you run into town and get me the parts for a new one.
Yes, sir. Okay. Oh, wait. It can't speak. Oh, it can't speak.
What is it, boy? Did Timmy fall down a well?
No. It can't speak.
If you want to use the restroom, you have to buy something.
What? No.
Defect? What's up?
Defect. Also, that's its name. Defect. Okay. Yeah. Defect. Yeah. I remember the name. I just forgot about it. So yeah, it can't speak. That's a problem.
He's either looking for a loaf of bread or a penguin wearing a top hat. I'm leaning toward penguin.
No.
It's a book. It's a movie. Oh, it's a movie based on a book.
No. Nope.
What's all this? I just sent Defect out to get parts for a new trans-seismic macro accelerator.
This would have been a whole lot easier if Defect could just talk.
Maybe I could install a voice chip. I know I have one around here somewhere.
You had a voice chip the whole time?
Why didn't you install it earlier? Guess I needed an inciting incident.
Okay. Let's just put.
That should do it.
Oh, that looks like the chip from the
What did I
previous.
say? I want my first words to be meaningful, and
Oh.
I already blew it, didn't I?
Yep.
It's okay. You're new at this. Finally, I can express complex thoughts and emotions. For example, I hate being a lab assistant. I mean, Tails is great, but I want to find my true purpose. Something that will give my life meaning.
Okay.
Ice cream! I got ice cream here!
Vanilla, please.
Okay. Yep. Oh. Wow. Impressive.
Defect, you're really making a difference.
Oh.
Pistachio.
Something I can eat without my teeth in.
Okay, that's a lot of, yeah, that's a lot of, oh boy. Oh boy, ooh. Yep, whoop.
Hey, come on, guys. Let's make like a banana split and leave.
You're fired.
Oh,
Don't take it too hard.
made a mistake.
Everyone is built for the high-pressure world of street-side food carts. That's why I got you a new gig.
as a trainer at my gym.
Oh, he's a trainer? About time, Knuckles. You've been working out, man. It's about time.
He is to be encouraging, but firm.
Ooh,
May I
ouch, Dave.
suggest you try harder? I hope that was firm enough.
Or maybe lower weights or something? Oh, okay. Lift it up. Oh, jeez. Oh, ouch.
Watch how you treat Tommy Thunder, you computerized
Oh,
clown.
Tommy Thunder. Yeah, I saw him in the background.
Never liked that masseuse. He always rubbed me the
That
wrong way.
comedy club.
Let's keep this open mic night moving with the comedy stylings of Defect.
Okay, Defect.
So, you ever notice how AA batteries come in packs of 4, but remote controls come in packs of 1? What's the deal with dual-core processors?
They're an outdated technology, just like you.
Oh, ouch, Eggman.
What a loser!
Oh, Defect.
I'm a failure. Even my creator thinks I'm an embarrassment.
Don't take it personally. Eggman's mean to all his rejected robots.
There are other rejected robots?
These
Oh,
robots are all rejects just like you.
Yeah.
Well, maybe not just like you.
Oh no! What? Are you freaking kidding me? No, no.
Cubots, this is Defect. Defect, these are the Cubots. So guys, how's life here treating you?
Oh, great! Wait, not great. Now that Friendbot's in Roboken, we're totally unprotected!
Well, then today is your lucky day.
You mean I found a new hat when I was walking through the forest?
No, you're lucky because I'm now here to protect you. Especially you.
Well, have fun assimilating.
Oh my gosh.
So, why do you guys need protecting?
Eggman's afraid we'll rebel against him. Not that we could launch a rebellion. He's got super weapons. And what do we have? We have a rock! Now, where did I put it? Huh, I guess we don't have a rock.
Well, now you've got me.
Oh, yep, a bit much bigger rock.
He made the ground go down!
What?
Robot brethren, no longer shall our kind live in fear. I've been looking for meaning in my life, and I finally found it. I'm going to lead your rebellion against our creator, Dr. Eggman.
Ooh, pitchforks.
Hey, we also have pitchforks!
Where did you get that? Oh, here we go. Time for the rebellion. All the way to Eggman.
Let's see those county fair judges try to overlook my roses this year.
Oh, okay. Nice garden there, Eggman.
Prepare for retribution, Eggman.
Prepare for retribution? I'm always prepared for retribution. You know I'm widely disliked.
Yep, there's robots. Oh, the other big robot. Yeah, what's his name again?
Those reject bots are no match for my army. What are you gonna do? Throw them at us?
Yes. Ooh, okay. Yep, he's just gonna throw these robots at you. Yep.
Next time I'll keep my ideas to myself.
Yes. Oh. Woo! Whoa! Let them up.
I'll never give up.
Oh, spike them up. Yeah.
Happy anniversary, Defect. It's been 24 hours since you went out on your own, and hey, where's Defect?
And where are the Cubots? And where are their pitchforks? We better pay Dr. Mustache a visit.
Wait, Doctor, what?
Explode.
Wait. Go back. Hey, no, go mention
Pay Dr. Mustache a visit.
mustache.
This floor is made up of a special polymer of my own design. It repels dust and never needs sweep.
Ouch. Nope.
That's more like it. You know, I could get used to this.
Never thought I'd see that. I thought these floors didn't need sweeping.
That's what I've been saying.
Fetch my guest some beverages. He's not very bright, but he's learning.
You know, I sort of feel bad for Ooh, lemonade!
Ooh, lemonade. Thank you.
Eggman can use a taste of his own medicine. After all, revenge is sweet.
Yes, it is.
Oh, what is he planning, that Defect? Ooh. Oh, he's gonna... Oh, boy. Oh, Oh, get that guy. Oh, he's old boss. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, he's taking it a bit too far. Whoa, tummy thunder. Whoa. Ouch. Oh, now he's just being a bully.
My wife says to the judge, that's my side of the story. Now let me tell you his side.
Oh. Okay. Oh, all wrapped. His joke's all wrapped up.
Looks like it's curtains for me. Ha!
Sonic was right. Revenge is sweet.
Ooh. Ouch.
Not what I meant.
It was okay when I did it to Eggman. Why not everyone else who wronged me?
It's not that simple.
If you're not with me, you're against me.
Oh. Whoa, boy. Yep, this ain't good. Ooh. Ooh, I like the music. The coast code.
Oh, God! Cubot's sick!
But I feel fine, boss.
Oh, shit. 7 hit. Oh, that self-destruct button. That was amazing.
The only way I'm gonna defeat that reject is if I have telekinetic abilities of my own.
But how are you going to do that?
Yeah, last time he got turned into a little pink cuddly thing. That I still need as a pet. I need that as a pet.
You built Defect. He wound up with those powers by accident.
Oh.
I made a prototype defect, but I never got it fully operational. I'll pull out the parts and put them in another piece of hardware.
What another piece of hardware? I want to know. Oh, force field. Oh. Oh. Woo! Ouch. Oh, Amy! Ouch. Oh. Cars. Oh. Oh, ouch. Oh, Sonic helping Amy! I know. Oh, I'll get back to that robot. Sonic helping Amy! Oh, this is so cute! He's so cute! Oh, oh!
Wanna play catch?
Wanna play catch? Ah, here we go. You're playing catch, dude. Woo! Woo! Oh, the old lady! Oh, the kids! Yep, protect the kids. Oh, yeah, there we go. Eggman versus Defect. Oh no!
No! Don't you hurt a hair on her perfect cube head.
Cube head. Oh. Okay. Oh. There we go.
Lousy blue menace.
Lovely blue menace. Oh.
That's no good.
Oh crap.
Cubot!
Oh god, he just. Oh. Kick him.
Thank you for saving Cubot. That makes us square. But be warned, I found my true calling. To protect these Cubots. Be it from Eggman's robots or any organic life forms that we perceive as a threat.
Okay. Okay.
So, are they good guys or bad guys? Sometimes life's a little more complicated than that. So they're good, bad guy gals? I understand.
Oh man! Oh, thank you, Sonic, Tails, and Amy. I guess it's like, I think they're more like anti-heroes. Like Defect's a bit of an anti-hero. Like if you wasn't like if you was a threat, if they're like against them, anti-hero or something like that. You don't care which side, So anyway, oh my god, that was a pretty good episode. We get to finally see Defect after all this time. Yeah, Defect for the first time since the game. Yeah. So anyway, I guess that's pretty much it for me at the moment. If you guys want to subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Daily Motion account. Also, you guys can find me on Twitter and Facebook. That's where I am most of the time. Also, you guys can find me on DeviantArt and Fanfiction. All the links are down below in the description. And also, post a comment down below of what you guys think of this episode. That's what I forgot to say. So, anyway, this is Jesse from Jesse Order Productions, and I am signing off. You guys, take care of yourselves. And, I almost remember, we're 2 episodes away from finishing Season 2. So, yeah, the next 2 episodes are part 1 and part 2. So yeah, just to close off the whole season. Yeah. But so far no news on. Is there any news on season 3? Is there gonna be like a season 3 or something like that? Who knows what happens? You guys, you know, we'll find out for sure. Find out for ourselves. So you guys take care of yourselves, okay? Bye.
Doesn't matter how smart you are if you're too slow.